That was 28 ounces of my Rotel. Now I have a whopping 3 pounds of lean cooked ground beef. Let's get all that out of there. There we go. And to that, I'm going to add 1 medium diced yellow onion for this awesome, delicious recipe. And now I have 29 ounces of tomato sauce. Just going to pour that all over the top. Super easy. And then this is optional, but I like a little bit of heat. My diced green chilies, just a little can, 4 ounces. Put it right on the top there, right into my crock pot. And then I have a can of the dark red kidney beans, 15 ounces. I did not drain anything. We want all the yummy juices for this recipe. Great. Okay, now we have to add some seasoning. Of course, I'm adding the one and only taco seasoning. We're making a delicious crock pot chili for fall, and taco seasoning just has all the yummy spices that you would put in a chili. And I'm just eyeballing it, just a nice amount of that, because this has chili pepper, paprika, oregano, onion, and garlic, everything that we need except some ground cumin. Okay, and we want a nice, kind of hefty amount of cumin. It's going to give it a really nice flavor. 4 teaspoons of that ground cumin. And then we're going to take our big spoon here and just mix everything together right in our crock pot. And I'm thinking about adding some salt and pepper, but that taco seasoning already has some of that in there. So maybe we'll add some later if I'm not satisfied with the flavor, but I think what we got going here is going to be delicious. And this is ready for our lid. Let's pop our lid on, and we're going to cook this on high for 3 to 4 hours. Okay, you guys, it has been 3 hours on high. Oh, and that smells amazing. Our chili, oh my goodness, look at how good that looks. Wow, it's like the perfect consistency. And it's gonna be so good with that Rotel. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm gonna dress mine up. I got some sharp cheddar here. Tillamook. I'm gonna shred this up and grate it up. Fresh on there. Oh yeah. We're getting fancy today. Tillamook is so delicious. It's an amazing brand. I love topping my chili with cheese. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. And then I'm gonna top it with some sour cream. Let's get that on there. Oh, a little bit of juice. We're almost out. Oh yeah, little dollop. That looks good. And then some chopped cilantro. Yep, I'm not finished yet, David. You think I'm finished? I'm not finished. Just the tiniest little bit to make it look cute. There we go. Mix that in a little bit. The cheese and the sour cream. What am I doing way over there? Cool it down. Let me know what you would put on your chili in the comments. Oh my goodness. You gotta make this chili.